Okay, I'm so happy. Meron akong bagong cases. Nakararating lang today. I will try kung mag-fit siya even with the Rinke tempered glass. Let me try. Oh, so itong isa ko nabili, meron siyang nakalagay na warm prompt. The phone case comes with a screen mask. Do not apply other mobile phone films. And yan na, parang aalisin mo lang siya dito. I'm not sure kung magiging okay siya. Do. Try natin. And then, ito yung parang, handle niya, parang ganyan. And then, of course, itong isa. Let me try this first, since ito yung walang face mask. Face mask? Ano ba yung pangalan?